a simple box. This is super simple. Okay, so here's a box. All right. For this box, I'm going to change a couple of things. First, I want to make the box has a little bit more subdivisions, like 2. Okay. Then I'm going to set up some parametric relation between these values. Okay, like translate xyz, rotation xyz, and scale xyz. So what this means? By default, I will change everything to 0. Right, this is a simple box with all the values, 0 for translate, rotation, 1 for scale. Okay. Then I'm going to do is go to the animation group. Okay, in Maya, here's animation group. I'm going to animate site driven key and click set. This is really powerful. You can do amazing stuff by this driven key. So site driven key site. Just if you want, you can follow me. It's in the animation group, and then go to animate site driven key. Okay. So it will pop up a window like this. It has 2 groups. The first one is the driver. Second one is the driven. Driver means what you want to set as a driver to change the other value. There are 2 values you need to input. So first one, I want to set up the driver to this box. I can click load driver. Okay. And then I will active the translate y as the driver property. Okay. For the driven, I will set up, let's do the rotate y as the driven. All right, so driver is the translate y, driven is rotate y. So right now everything is if you look at translate y value is 0 right now, right? Rotate y is 0 as well. So if I do click this button key, what happens is Maya will remember their relation. So when translate y equals 0, rotate y equals 0. So this is the first keyframe I set up. Then I'm going to move up this box. So use W, I will move up, right? So when you move up, what happens is the translate y is change the values. So I will give the y value, let's see, I want to move 20 units up. Then I want to rotate this box, let's see, maybe 180 degrees. So I can type 180, enter. Right, so this is 2 new values. Translate y equals 20, rotate y equals 180. Now I can click key again. So I set up the second keyframe. To do a relation, you need to set up 2 keyframes. Right? So now let's move this this box. Let's see what happened. See what happened? If I move this box up and down, it's automatically rotate. Very cool. If you look at the property, the rotate y now is right color. So that means this value now is controlled by another value. It's not decided by itself. It's driven by the driver. So driver in this case is the translate y, is the height of the box, which control the rotation of the box. Very, very cool, right? Yeah, because it's two keyframes, they pretty much define the range.
Okay.
So if the value is beyond that range, it starts to stop responding. Yeah. If you want to redo that, the quick way to do is just right-click this red color keyframe. Then you can break the connection. So what happens is you pretty much remove all the keyframes, right? And then you can reset these two keyframes again. One is the initial status, another is the end. Yeah, you can always right-click and break the connection. All right, so just make sure after you set up the keyframe, you want to move the box. You should be able to see the box rotate when you move up.